What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jay, and I promised y'all a car tour. So here we go. Follow me. Check it out. Don't we love to hear it? So check my baby out. Okay, so here goes the inside, y'all. This is how it looks. Yep. And I got the blue mats to match the blue inside, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So now we're going to look at my vacuum. I got this vacuum right here from Lowe's. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we're gonna test the vacuum out and see how it is. I'm not gonna.
Two very boring minutes later.
All right, y'all. So we gotta dump the mat. I will go back. All right, y'all. It's been about 8 or 10 minutes. I don't know. I wasn't really keeping up, but now I'm gonna see if this. I think we're ready. So let's go. Look at this, y'all. This is so slow. So slow. So I'm putting on charger one more time. All right, y'all. The vacuum, I don't think I let it charge long enough, but this is what we got done so far. But we're gonna re-vacuum last. We're just gonna go ahead. All right, y'all. So the first thing I'm gonna do is wipe the car down. I'm gonna use some clear out swipes. It's for starters. Can't handle dirty car. Put that up. So I just did a quick wipe down real quick. All right, y'all. So for the best part, I got stuff from Amazon. All right, y'all. So we're about to get into this. All right, y'all. Got our little baby scissors. About to cut this open. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna do this while I let that vacuum charge, and then I'll just vacuum last. Alright, y'all. We'll open those so I can have some. Now let's see what we got.
A bunch of this. A bunch of that. Bexy. Okay.
Above right, this is how it looks. So yeah. Alright, y'all. So I thought these were pretty cool. These are sauce vents holder for ketchup and fast food sauces. So y'all know I like to get my 10-piece from McDonald's or go to Chick-fil-A. So now I got some sauce holders. So we're about to put these up. There we go. Saucy moto. Alright, y'all. So about to put these in. So here we go. Wait. Oh, this is simple. You just clip it on there. I'm gonna tap my damn car. Y'all, I got it. Alright, y'all. I got it on there. My little air freshener thingy. I take that up. A little sauce clicker in there. Okay. Now I got to the other side. Alright, focus. Hold up. There we go. You see it. Sauce moto. Sauce moto. Let's see. There we go.
That's fine. Alright.
We got next. So next we have every girl want a steering wheel cover, but I wasn't getting that big fluffy one that everybody got. So let's open this up. Alright, y'all. So I'm putting on a steering wheel cover.
I get these side of this.
They told me it would fit, so it better fit. Ain't no way it's not about to fit my car. It got to fit my car. Oh, but it's like it's not gonna fit. a scratch or something.
No! No! No!
I might put it on wrong. Hold up. Look at this. How my Hellcat gonna go outside looking like this? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I know y'all like, Jada, just pull it down. No, because look, it's not gonna fit. Look at this, man. Let me call my mom. Alright, y'all, I'm back. When in doubt, man, call your mama. She came and got the job done. Let me show y'all. Alright, y'all, so this how it looks. No, this is ghetto. My last stuck to the coins. Alright, y'all, next thing I got is these cup holders. So let me show y'all these. Put these in. Let me show y'all them in there. I ordered was this multi-angle dashboard car mount. So what's this? This thing in Chinese. Directions and figure this out. After you unfold the feet, one touch release. Okay, now clean it. What am I clean it? What? Oh, clean the car. Okay. Alright, well, we're gonna wipe it with our hands. This. Okay. Where does this go though? Oh, this thing. Oh, this what I mount on the car? Oh god, I can't mess this part up. This is how you lock it, I guess. Or is it not locking? I'm lost. Let me go find my mama. I know she know it. I know she know what to do. Alright, y'all, I got my mama to put it on, so let me show y'all where I stuck it at. Alright, y'all, so now y'all can see the final look. Alright, y'all, that completes this video, and I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. You dig? Yeah.